So record was started. Okay, again I'm explaining the same thing. Yesterday and before yesterday we discussed DevOps, AWS, Linux server, and created the server in Linux server and deployed some basic small web application through HTML file in Linux server. So basics we discussed. Now today we are going to deploy the same web application in Ubuntu server. And what are the three tiers we are going through? What are the three tiers on the server? How will maintain the server in the three tier? And what is the DevOps and some Linux commands and Linux topics. So we already know if we'll deploy web application in the server, we need to the requirement this one. Instance we need. Instance means in AWS we are AWS providing instance such as VMwares. And what are the requirements here? AMI, nothing but OS, instant type is CPU and memory, and key is key pair, and networking VPC. And one more thing, elastic block storage, EBS volume. Volume we are giving 8 GB to some 10 GB. Anything it is fine. Okay. Now so already my account is opened. Yesterday we created in Northern Virginia, United States, Northern Virginia. Today I am going to Mumbai location. In Mumbai location, we are going to create one server by using the OS, Ubuntu OS. Launch instance. Just click the launch instance. I am giving Ubuntu server or Ubuntu instance. Right. So here I am going to take Ubuntu. Just click Ubuntu. It is in Linux. Just click the Ubuntu here. Once confirm the Ubuntu server Ubuntu AMI came or not. See here in the down Ubuntu server and SSD volume type and AMI ID root EBS volume is there. Okay. One thing is confirmed. We gave name and Ubuntu server we clicked. Now T2 micro is fine because of 1 CPU memory is there, 1 GB memory, 1 CPU is there, 1 GB memory is there. If you want to more T2 2 CPU 8 GB and T2 medium 2 CPU 4 GB, like that how much we'll want, we'll able to create by taking the instance types. See 128 CPU and 102 for GB of memory. So T2 micro is fine for small application to deploy. Now key pair. If you want to use, we changed the Mumbai location, right? If we are in United States, Northern Virginia, we'll able to use same key pair because in one region it will work. But we change it, right? So another key pairs is not showing here. Now create again one more key pair. I am creating Ubuntu Mumbai key pair. Mumbai key pair. Right? So same PEM key we are creating. Once we'll create the key pair, key is download here. See here, key is downloaded. Yesterday Venkat key pair is there. Now key is downloaded. Just scroll down and edit. I am not giving anything here, just I am going with default things. VPC is there, here VPC is there, this is the VPC with VPC ID, and enable. Okay, fine. If you will disable, IP address will not show, so I am enabling this one. Everything it is same. I'm not doing changes anything here, just going to create launch instance. So just go here and view all instances. So it is running, it is still initializing 2 by 2 check, and today we'll wait up to 2 by 2 check will come. So Ubuntu Mumbai key pair is there and everything is there. We'll wait for a couple of minutes for 2 by 2 check. Still it is running. In this gap, we'll connect this server to our command prompt. Just click and go to the connect, go to here SSH client, and just copy the example SSH client and copy the example here. SSH -i key pair and Ubuntu IP address is there. So already we have command prompt is there. Yesterday command prompt is there. Now I am going to just giving pasting here and give S. It is connecting. So it is connected. Yesterday EC2 user came. When we connected, EC2 user came. Now Ubuntu server is there. Just go and check PWD home Ubuntu. Right? PWD home Ubuntu is there. Yesterday we checked home EC2 user. Now it is in Ubuntu user. Now we'll go and check here. Just go to the instance. See here, 2 by 2 check came, right? This is the 2 by 2 check came. 2 by 2 check. So it is going to check hardware and software. When the instance is going to create in the AWS account, it is going to check hardware and software. If anything will happen, it will not create. So now sudo -i command to connect the root user. Before it is Ubuntu user, super user, now admin user. We have all permission to do in admin user, so I connected to admin user here. Before doing anything, we need to update the server. So check apt install apache 2 -y is a command to install the Apache HTTPD. Enter. So it is going to install. And apt update -y is a command to update the server. Our server also updating here. Nothing we did, two commands only we installed. One command is update command and another command is installation of Apache. So how to check Apache is installed or not? HTTPD version command HTTP. Sorry, Apache 2 version. See, Apache 2 version is there. Version, Apache 2 version is there, 2.4.58. Now cd/var www HTML path, we are going to HTML path here, pwd where www.html path we went. Here I am going to create index.html file. Directly we are creating by using VIM command. It is going to edit and it is going to create also. Yesterday we created first index.html file by using touch command, and after we open that and we created, but today we are going to create directly by using the VIM command. So some code is there, we'll run this code directly. Okay, systemctl start Apache 2. So again check the status, it is active, running. Now copy the IP address with 80 port number. So URL, continue the site, it will not come. It is not coming. Why? So we are running with 80 port number here. 80 means automatically it will take. Why so 80 means, see, if you copy and paste somewhere, it will come HTTP. HTTP port number run on 80. So it is not showing the 80, but it will run on the 80 port number only. So we didn't give any permissions here. 80 port number we didn't give. Yesterday we gave, but today we didn't give any permissions. Go to the security group. See, only 22 port number is there. I am giving here 80 port number also. Just open the security group, edit in bond rules, add rule. It will be confused, but just try to listen. Tomorrow I will clear. Once the class is going, I will clear each and everything. So anywhere means in any browse it will take IPv4, because of we have only IPv4 IPs are there. So we are giving with any IP, it will work. The port number 80 will work. See, 80 port number HTTPD. Why I gave SSH? Why I gave SSH, sir? So I am connecting third party here, command line prompt third party here. That's why I gave one permission is SSH and another permission is 80 for hosting our application. Let's save the rules. Let's check again. Just refresh here. See, our Apache page now working. Where it is located? var www dot sorry var slash www slash html index.file is there. This is the Apache page. Now I am changing Apache page. I am deleting everything here. So I am deleting everything here and I am going to take new code here. HTML code. Just some computer basic code I am taking here. So this is the code I am taking. Just copy and paste here. I am changing the headings here. This is the DevOps class. Now save and systemctl restart Apache 2. So it is restarted and check again the status. Now it is in active. So again go here and refresh. This is Venkat and this is the DevOps class. Great. This is the static web application in Ubuntu server we deployed. If you will check this IP in your laptop or mobile, it will show. Okay, understand up to here. If you want to change names also, what are the names in our web application, it will work. Understand? Can you please?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. Next. So see on the DevOps content, I'm changing the date here. This is the Git. In the Git repository, I created our daily document. So again, what is the DevOps here? DevOps is nothing but to deliver the application product software speedily. What is the DevOps? To deliver the application product software speedily. And SDLC, software development lifecycle, deployment process of installing the application to the server is nothing but deployment. It is not 60 applications, only one application, spelling mistake. Deployment is process of installing the application to server, means we are running the application in server. That is nothing but deployment. And suppose how to infrastructure will build in the DevOps means infant, toddler, child, teen, adult. Like, see, if you're if you'll take human, how it will go from top to bottom, or like when we birth, then after child, then teenage, adult, old, like that is going from start to end, whatever it is, men or women, right? Infant told means before when we birth, we are baby, then after child, then after teenage, then after adult, then after old, like that infrastructure is going, like that the DevOps cycle. So application, yesterday I showed in paint, right? Dev plus operation, plan, code, build, test, deploy, operate, and monitor. So yesterday we discussed the life cycle, right? Same here also I'm telling. So software architecture, blueprint of the application workflow. So here software architecture, main things, how many types here? Totally three types are there. Entire is normal. Mainly three types are there: one tier and two tier and three tier. Those are the types of software architecture. If you want, we are deploying, మనం ఏదైతే అప్లికేషన్ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నామో దానికి ఆర్కిటెక్చర్స్ లైక్ టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సో టైర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ లేయర్, లేయర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ సర్వర్. ఒక టైర్ వచ్చి ఒక సర్వర్ అనుకుందాం, ఒక టైర్ ఒక సర్వర్ అనుకుందాం, ఒక టైర్ ఒక సర్వర్ అనుకుందాం. టోటల్ త్రీ టైర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, త్రీ సర్వర్స్ అనుకుందాం అక్కడ. సో టు సర్వర్ ద sorry to what is the server? To serve the service to end user. Suppose if we'll take any example about restaurant. So when we go to the restaurant, one server will come, they ask the order. I order biryani. So front end web application is done. Wait, I will show in the detail diagram. మూడు రంగుల జెండా కదండి, జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్. So here let us assume this is one tire. This is one tire and this is two tire. This is three tire. This is three tire. So this is server 1, this is server 2, this is server 3. This is server 3. Let us take the example as a restaurant here. So server boy came and asked, take order biryani. Take order biryani. Or he took order biryani from me. So after he went to kitchen room, he asked to prepare biryani. He took order and he asked to prepare biryani. Right? Next. Then again, after completed the biryani, is again serving to me. Serving to me. So here process is done. Then after we are building, finally we are leaving that restaurant. Let us take same here. When he is taking the order, this is the front end, right? This is the front end. When the front end web application is taking our username and password, okay, I'm audible.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. So when we are giving to order biryani, same here also server side, we are giving our password, username and password to login to our application. When we log in, it is going to connect our application server. It is going to connect application server. Then application server, here services are there. I mean services are there. Service 1, service 2 and service 3. Like that services are there. We picked service 1 and total 3 services are there. We picked one service and database also there. database also there. What we are ordering, that order details and user details, it is going to store in database like one in one table. Or order details and user details. The user is the person is matching or not, and it will check and it will give the order. సో మనం ఎప్పుడైతే బిర్యానీ రెస్టారెంట్కి వెళ్ళామో అక్కడ మన సర్వర్ మన దగ్గర ఆర్డర్ తీసుకుంటాడు. ఆర్డర్ తీసుకుని బిర్యానీ ఆర్డర్ పెట్టాం, ఆర్డర్ తీసుకుని బ్యాక్ ఎండ్కి వెళ్తున్నాడు. యూజర్ డీటెయిల్స్ కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకుని బ్యాక్ ఎండ్కి వెళ్ళాడు. బ్యాక్ ఎండ్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత చెఫ్కి చెప్పాడు, సో వాళ్ళు ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చింది బిర్యానీ, సో వాళ్ళు ఆర్డర్ తీసుకోమని చెప్పేసి ఆర్డర్ అప్లికేషన్, అది అప్లికేషన్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత రెడీ చేసి whatever the details it is going to give again to database, right? Database లో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్ అనేది స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఇదిదా సో దిస్ is the 3 tier. See, web server is presentation layer, app server is business and logic layer, and DB server is data server. 3 types are there totally. 3 servers are there: web server, app server, and database server. See here, what is the web server here? HTTPD Apache, and the presentation layer to show the app, and front end, what is the dev here, and web technologies, and what are the cores are HTML, CSS, JS, JavaScript. And if we'll go to the application server, this is an application server. Tomcat or whatever it is, Nginx and Docker containers, everything is there. I will tell later one by one. So here, business and logic layer, and to use the application, backend dev programming languages are Java, Python, C, C++, and .NET. And what are the DB server here? MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, whatever it is, just I took the MySQL here. And database server, and to store the retrieve data, and DB languages are MySQL, MS SQL, Postgres, ArongoDB, and Oracle. This is the layers and application server, web server, and DB servers here. So in one tier standalone application, in one tier standalone application, all 3 layers will be on local. So all will layers in local. Here the application will work on our laptop. So application will work on our laptop. It does not require the internet connection also. If we'll create server, serverless, the application will work on our laptop. So if we'll go to the 2 tier, the client server application need internet here for database and whatever it is here application need to internet here. And banking applications, 3 tier architecture. Web application, app no need to install, directly will use in host, means browser will use directly in Google, whatever it is, will use directly here. Web application, right? So the servers will continue later. Now I will discuss again PDF here. Understand what I said just now?
Yes, Venkat, I understood.
Yeah. Everything is available in GitHub only. This is the public repository. If you want to use this public repository, just directly just type the github.com up to Venkatreddy 1714. It will open directly for you. So yesterday we discussed about waterfall methodology, agile methodology, and what is the DevOps also. So what are the popular tools in DevOps? CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery. Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and GitLab, all the tools, alternative tools. And configuration management, Ansible tool. Containerization, Docker, Kubernetes, and infrastructure as a code, Terraform. Monitoring tools, Prometheus, Grafana. Already explained yesterday. Cloud platform, AWS, Azure, GCP. And how does DevOps work here? Continuous integration, continuous delivery, or deploy. So automates the process of merging code and changes the multiple contributions into a single project. Suppose I have 5 services are there. Suppose Swiggy is there, right? In the Swiggy application, I have 5 services like biryani, shawarma, burger, pizza, something. 5 services are there. But code in different branches. 5 branches are there. I want to merge in one branch and I want to do the deployment. So automation will work. Continuous integration here. It integrates every tool and every service here. Continuous integration process is it is going to integrate every tool. Suppose here we'll integrate Git, Maven, Ansible, whatever the tools we have, all tools will integrate in one tool, that is the Jenkins. And same alternative tools are GitOps, GitLab, and GitHub Actions. And continuous delivery. Automatically packages or deploy code modification to production. Whatever the production we are going to run our project, it is going to automation by using the tool Jenkins. Automation is nothing but includes the monitoring and reporting, testing and deployment. So already we discussed about server, and again I'm explaining what is the server here. A server is a computer or software system that provides services, resource or data to other computer called clients or a network. So server are used in various environment. This is the very basics. I'm not going through the theory. Already we know because of all our experience candidates, right? So everyone know what are the server and all. We are daily working on servers, right? So fine, I am not explaining very basics like school feeding. Just I'm going some different. So web server, application server, database server. Just now we discussed about this. And so what are the server is now already is a VMware or laptop, whatever it is. Just now we integrated, we run the index.html file in Apache server. Same the script here. So if you want to install this one also fine. apt get install nginx. Why apt get and apt? Apt is a command to update install the packages. apt get is going to install the packages from internet. Get is taking the packages from internet. apt is just going through the whatever the server packages are there, it is going to run. Both difference is apt installing packages. We are using apt on Ubuntu server. If you use the Linux server, it is m command, yum command. This one is apt get is installing the packages from internet, right? Same system status and will start the nginx and same, everything same. Yeah. Tomorrow topic is we'll go with AWS tomorrow. Tomorrow AWS some topics and the same AEC creation in different modules, and we'll create some network or custom network and what are the port numbers, how it will work, everything will discuss tomorrow. Up to now, fine. If you have any doubts, ask me. First, understand that concept today what I said. అర్థమైందండి మొత్తం టుడే?
Yes, Venkat.
మాట్లాడండి, పర్లేదు, అందరూ మాట్లాడండి. నాకు మాట్లాడితేనే కొంచెం తెలుస్తుంది అసలు మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా, నేను ఏమైనా మార్చుకుని చెప్పాలా. మణికంఠ అని పవన్ గారు
ఎస్ వెంకట అర్థమవుతుంది బానే.
బాగానే ఉంది కదండి, ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు కదా?
యా, ఏ ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు.
మనీ ఫైన్.
ఓకే ఫైన్ రెడ్డి, అర్థమవుతుంది.
ఓకే, షల్ వి కంటిన్యూ ఆర్ షల్ వి లీవ్ ఫర్ టుడే?
We'll continue tomorrow, Venkat.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll discuss same topics, but this weekend we'll go with same like this basics. Next on Monday we'll start at regular classes.
Okay.
Okay.
వెంకట సాటర్డే సండే కూడా ఉంటుందా? సండే మనకి లీవ్?
హాలిడే, సండే హాలిడే, సాటర్డే ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెంకట.
Bye, good night all.
గుడ్ నైట్.
Bye, Venkat. Good night.
Bye.